Hey, I'm Melissa Maker. I am a cleaning expert and I've been doing this since 2011. In fact, I've had a cleaning business since 2006. And I myself have had plenty of bad cleaning habits over the years. And I've also seen people have bad cleaning habits over the years, people who I've trained. And I've also talked to many of you and learned about your bad cleaning habits over the years. So in this video, I want to talk about some of the worst offenders when it comes to cleaning habits. And then we're going to talk about how to break them.
There are many rules and regulations that companies have to abide by when they put out a cleaning product. Plus, they want to make sure that when you receive it, you're actually using it in the way that they intended for you to use. And what that means is that's the way that they formulated it and the way that they've tested it. So if you pick up a new cleaning product or something that you're a little bit unfamiliar with, it is worthwhile to just flip over the bottle or the package, quickly read the instructions, and make sure you understand where you're supposed to use it and how you're supposed to use it. That way you won't be at risk of ruining any surfaces or spending extra time cleaning something that you wouldn't otherwise have to had you let the product do the work for you. Before I got into the cleaning world, I had no plans when it came to cleaning. I would just go into a room and then start cleaning things randomly. I'd spend so much time, I'd leave more frustrated than when I started, and my results were terrible. Once I got into cleaning, started the business, and started doing these videos, I realized that understanding how to clean and then having a cleaning plan, which is what I now call my 3-wave system, essentially it tells you to have a method to your cleaning madness. Once you nail those 3 waves and you repeat them and you get familiar with them enough times in your home or in the spaces that you're cleaning, it will totally change the way that you clean. No more will you be approaching a room with frustration and sadness. You'll be approaching it with meaning. You'll get your cleaning done quickly. You won't waste time and your results will be better. Especially around cold and flu season, there seems to be this panic around disinfecting everything. And I need to tell you guys, everything need not be disinfected in your home. If you're in a public space like a hospital, a mall, an amusement park, a school, things like that, yes, proper disinfection methods must be done. They have to use very specific products and follow very specific protocols because they're managing the public's health. When you are at home, in your own space, with your own germs, aside from things that come in like a cold, a cough, a flu, something like that, where you will do special cleaning for that to get rid of it, or if there's an accident, say a cat throws up, or a child does something in the corner that shouldn't have happened in that corner, sure, you can clean it up using proper disinfection methods, but on a regular basis, soap and water is gonna do the trick. If not soap, you can use vinegar. You can get rid of most stains and dirt using very basic things. And that's what cleaning is all about. Disinfecting, on the other hand, is killing harmful bacteria. But remember, our bodies need a lot of bacteria so that we can stay healthy. So you don't want to kill everything. Unless there's a germ that's come into your home and gotten everybody sick, yeah, go ahead, bring out the disinfectant. Or if there's meat juice on your kitchen counter, you're gonna need the disinfectant. Everything else, soap and water, a little bit of vinegar, whatever have you, that should solve the problem. I wanna make a distinction here. There is a big difference between masking an odor and killing the odor-causing bacteria at the source. Masking the odor is putting on deodorant. Killing the bacteria at the source is taking a shower and cleaning under your arms. Imagine if you decided to never take a shower again and instead just use deodorant all the time. That's exactly what people do when they're using air fresheners or fabric refreshers in lieu of cleaning a surface for a prolonged period of time. Now, if you're using it every now and again, that's one thing. If you're using it because you walk into a room and you feel like there's this smell and I can never get rid of it, so I'll just spray this thing and hopefully the smell will go away, that's where you're making your cleaning mistake. Instead, you have to find the source of the odor-causing bacteria, whether it's a piece of upholstery, a pair of shoes, an old rug, whatever it is that's causing the odors, and generally it's a soft surface, although it could be, something that's spilled in your kitchen like sour milk under your refrigerator. You have to find the cause of that odor. You have to clean that odor, and then you won't have that smell anymore. When I read your comments, especially on our bathroom cleaning videos, there are often questions about how long to spend cleaning a bathroom, or I'll read what some of you guys do when you are cleaning your bathroom. And I hate to say it, but I think sometimes you're over cleaning. And that's actually a good thing because I'm giving you permission to do less work. There you go, you can have it. The most important thing is to know how to clean your bathroom, and we have lots of videos on that topic, but essentially, you don't have to go in with the heavy duty products and the rubber gloves and the mask and the this and the that and the disinfectant and the killers. Like, you don't have to do all of that business to clean your bathroom each and every time. Because remember, it's not like you're getting sick and doing your business all over the floors and the counters and in the sink and in the shower. You're really not. It's just more a matter of managing the soap scum that builds up in your shower and your tub, making sure that you're disinfecting very specific areas in the bathroom and that you're shining and polishing things. And once you have that in place, so you're not panicking about the germs and over cleaning the bathroom, you can actually relax a bit and spend less time doing the dirty work.
Well, there you go, some of the worst cleaning habits and how to break them. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, what is something that you inadvertently have damaged while you were cleaning, and what happened? Go ahead, tell us the story in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the Makers Clean channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.